Have you ever stared at your screen thinking, what in the world am I supposed to post on Facebook today? You're not alone. Whether you're running a handmade candle shop, a fitness studio, or a coaching business, content planning feels like a full-time job. But what if I told you you could create an entire 30-day Facebook content calendar in 30 seconds with one single ChatGPT prompt? Stick with me, because not only am I going to show you the exact prompt to use, but I'll also walk you through how it works live using a real example. Let's say you're Sarah. Sarah owns a local plant shop called Green Thumb & Co. She's passionate about houseplants and helping beginners keep their leafy friends alive. But here's the thing. Every month, she finds herself scrambling to come up with new post ideas for Facebook. She spends hours scrolling through other pages, overthinking captions, and second-guessing herself. But then, she discovers this ChatGPT prompt. Create a 30-day social media Facebook content calendar for business name that targets target audience and highlights product services. Sarah replaces the bracketed area for business name with Green Thumb & Co., the target audience area with beginner plant lovers, and product services area with indoor plant care products. Now watch what happens next. In just seconds, ChatGPT returns a fully customized calendar with post types like Day 1, Welcome to Plant Parenthood, Introductory Post for a New Plant Lover. Day 5, How often should you water your plants? Day 8, How to repot a plant without killing it. Day 11, 1-minute hack, use banana peel for natural fertilizer. And it even includes a mix of engagement posts, educational content, product spotlights, and fun memes. Now that's the kind of planning that lets you show up consistently without burning out or running out of ideas. But wait, some of you are probably thinking, okay, that's cool, but will it actually sound like me? However, here's where the real magic comes in. ChatGPT isn't just giving you titles, it gives you the structure. From here, you can tweak the voice, insert your personality, and even add local flavor or brand slang. It's like hiring a strategist, an idea generator, and a creative assistant rolled into one prompt. Once you get your 30-day plan, ask ChatGPT to expand each day into a full post with captions, emojis, and hashtags. Want to schedule them all at once? Use tools like Meta Business Suite or Buffer to schedule a week or even a month ahead. Repeat this prompt monthly. Just change the focus. One month you promote a product, the next you focus on behind the scenes or testimonials. Give it a try. Put ChatGPT to work for you, not the other way around. If you found this helpful, tap that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered marketing hacks, and drop your business name below. I just might use it in my next example.